Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reorder app icons for a home screen in Nvidia Shield. And to do this, we'll need to click on the gear icon to open our settings. Right here, locate the device preferences, enter the home screen, select reorder apps, and then now it should select one by default. If you want to let go of it, click on this middle button, and here choose which of the app icons you want to move. In this case, let's go for Google Play Store, and just move it around with a joystick to the top or whatever you want. If you go back, the app icon should be updated, and we should be able to see it, or actually not. Maybe after turning off it should, or actually, okay, so it's right here in the apps, not on the home screen, and you can see Google Play is on the top left corner. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.